Are you curious about which zodiac signs are more prone to disturbing mental disorders? Watch this video to uncover the shocking truth. Let's get started about the 5 most troubled zodiac signs that have a higher chance of developing mental disorders. Before we dive in, let's make one thing clear. Just because you were born under one of these signs, it doesn't mean you're going to develop a mental disorder. These are just some of the traits and tendencies that are commonly associated with these signs. First up, we have Scorpio, known for their intense passion and deep emotions. Scorpios can sometimes struggle with mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. They have a tendency to hold grudges and dwell on negative thoughts, which can lead to a downward spiral if left unchecked. So Scorpios have a higher chance to develop an antisocial personality disorder. They are known for their intense emotions and secretive nature, which can often manifest as manipulative and impulsive behavior. ASPD is characterized by a disregard for the feelings and rights of others, along with a tendency towards criminal behavior. However, Scorpios are also incredibly resilient and can use their inner strength to overcome these challenges. Next on the list is Pisces, the most sensitive and empathetic of the signs. Pisceans can often absorb the emotions of others and become overwhelmed by them. This can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even borderline personality disorder in some cases. So Pisces have a higher chance to develop a borderline personality disorder. They are often sensitive and empathetic, but this can also lead to intense mood swings and difficulty regulating emotions. BPD is characterized by unstable relationships, impulsive behavior, and an unstable sense of self. However, Pisces also have a deep sense of creativity and intuition, which can be harnessed to find balance and stability. Moving on to Gemini, the dual nature of this sign can sometimes lead to a split personality, with one side being charming and outgoing, and the other being anxious and withdrawn. Geminis can struggle with issues such as bipolar disorder, ADHD, and addiction. So Geminis have a higher chance to develop a narcissistic personality disorder. They are often charming and confident, but this can also lead to a sense of entitlement and a lack of empathy for others. NPD is characterized by a grandiose sense of self-importance, a need for admiration, and a lack of empathy. However, their quick wit and intelligence can also be a powerful tool in managing their mental health. Fourth on the list is Capricorn, known for their hardworking and ambitious nature. Capricorns can sometimes push themselves too far and experience burnout or other mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. They have a tendency to bottle up their emotions and put on a brave face, which can lead to a sense of isolation and detachment. So Capricorns have a higher chance to develop an obsessive-compulsive personality disorder. They are often driven and disciplined, but this can also manifest as a need for control and a rigid adherence to rules. OCPD is characterized by a preoccupation with orderliness and perfectionism, along with a reluctance to delegate tasks to others. However, Capricorns are also incredibly resilient and can learn to balance their work and personal life to achieve a sense of inner peace. Finally, we have Aquarius. This unconventional and independent sign can sometimes struggle with issues such as depression, anxiety, and social isolation. Their unique perspective on the world can lead to feelings of loneliness and disconnection from others. So Aquarius have a higher chance to develop a schizoid personality disorder. They are often independent and unconventional, but this can also lead to a lack of interest in social relationships and a preference for solitude. SPD is characterized by a lack of interest in social relationships, emotional coldness, and a limited range of emotional expression. However, Aquarians also have a strong sense of compassion and a desire to help others, which can be channeled into finding purpose and meaning in life. In conclusion, while it's important to acknowledge the potential mental health challenges associated with these 5 signs, it's also important to remember that everyone's experience is unique. Mental health issues can affect anyone, regardless of their zodiac sign or astrological chart. The most important thing is to seek help when you need it, whether that's through therapy, medication, or simply talking to someone you trust. Thanks for tuning in to this video, and remember to take care of yourself and those around you.